Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kakinada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. And coming to the job duties and key responsibilities mentioned here, like you should be responsible in operations, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with minimum DVU hold, system hold or branch hold, and regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay, and regular interaction and liaison with various H4 departments, publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files, and regular training to sales and discussions on process or policy and to reduce branch hold, and providing regular feedback or suggestions on process or system improvement to ACOM or ORCOM. These are some job responsibilities mentioned here, and if you like this job role or if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for relationship manager and it is from Exide Life Insurance. Like if you see the skills required, like zeal to work in sales, and you should be a graduate and must have two-wheelers and a smartphone. Interested candidates can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for technical recruiter. It is from Indotronics International Corporation, and they are looking for the experienced candidates like 1 to 6 years, and if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive. It is from Nairos Technologies, and if you see the job responsibilities and requirements mentioned here, like responsibilities, finding prospects and leads, learn details about their products and services, understand all the prospects needs, problems or wants, and explain how their solutions align with their pain points, and meet with potential clients and act as their consultant, upsell then appropriate, and follow up with heart. These are some responsibilities mentioned here, and if you see the requirements, like the ability and desire to sell, excellent communication skills, a positive, confident and determined approach, and resilience and the ability to cope up with rejection, a high degree of self-motivation and ambition, and the skills to work both independently and as a part of team. These are some requirements for this job role, and if you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the faculty and it is from TIMV, like Triumphant Institute of Management Education, for this job role, and you should have 2 to 5 years of experience, and you should have skills in logical reasoning, English literature, English faculty, teaching, counselor and English. These are some job description. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Deputy General Manager, Human Resources or Industrial Relations, and it is from Transition Management Services. And if we see the candidate profile, like the candidate should have MBA, HR or PG diploma in PM, IR with a proven academic record, and the candidates should have hands-on experience of 15 to 18 years in fertilizer, pesticide or the similar manufacturing plants, and the Telugu language is a must, and thorough knowledge of Factories Act, labor laws and industrial disputes acts, and exposure of handling multiple unions, recognized unions, and excellent knowledge or related labor laws, contract labor act of heavy manufacturing segments, and an excellent team player with knowledge of bulk manufacturing industry and have worked on various HR functions and strategy. And you should have excellent leadership skills with high people influencing capabilities, independent and organized work style, and you should have good relations with Department of Labor, factories departments. And this is about the candidate profile. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for architect. It is from INI Design Studio. And if you see the job responsibilities mentioned here, like working with the design team on Kakinada beachfront development project on-site coordination, assist with the selection and review of materials, attend client and construction meetings or site visits, and you are responsible for daily design or technical development project. And if you see the job requirements, like you should have bachelor's or master's degree, COA or other field related registration is desirable, and you should have good knowledge of design software and good knowledge of graphic presentation tools, and you should have excellent communication skills, team oriented, self initiated, responsible and highly motivated. These are some requirements mentioned here for this job role, and if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Ruby on Rails developer, and if you see, like, it is from Nairos Technology. And if you see the job requirements, you should have 3 years plus experience as a full stack Ruby on Rails developer, and experience in building Ruby gems, familiarity with RESTful APIs to connect applications to backend web services, and with JSON and JWT authorization, and concepts of MVC, mocking, ORM, and RESTful, and experience with common libraries such as RSpec and Rescue, and experience with SQL backend, preferably Postgres or MySQL. These are some requirements mentioned here for this job position, and if you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Android developer, and it is from Nairos Technology. And if you see the job requirements, like extensive experience in Android mobile applications development with sound understanding of Android architecture components, framework Android architect components, framework Android SDK, Core Java, Android Studio, IDE, and Android debugger, and good working experience and Firebase or web service integration and cloud technologies and AWS. And you should have strong knowledge of Android SDK, different versions of Android, and how to deal with different screen sizes, and should be familiarity with services, intent, broadcast receiver, and content provided. These are some requirements I mentioned here. If you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.